Okay, look, if we have something in front of the radical, like a rad b times c rad d, remember, as long as the index of the radicands match, the magic can happen under the radical. But look, stuff in front gets multiplied too. So this is a times c rad bd. So let's see how this works out in the real world of math. So 2 rad 6 times 3 rad 4, the stuff outside of the radical, that means this 2 and this 3, they get to multiply. That's a 6. The stuff under the rad, the 6 times the 4, that gets multiplied. That's 24. So look, and everybody's like, yay, we're done. No, man, this is like a horror movie. At this level of math and higher, there's two things you want to keep in mind. It's like Indiana Jones, and I'm talking the old school, the original one from the 80s. You got to be really careful. And then also, it's also like a horror movie, like, I don't know, like Jason or Freddy. It's like it keeps coming back. Everybody's like, 6 rad 24, I'm done. It's like, no, 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 no. Check to make sure you've killed the radical. I see a perfect square in that 24. What are you talking about? Okay, watch. 4 times 6. You're like, what do you mean perfect square? I don't know if 4 is a perfect square. Watch. 6 rad. Oh, 4 is like 2 squared times 6. Oh, that means that 2 gets to escape the radical. That means 6 times 2 rad 6. Oh, wait, what is 6 times 2? Yeah, I'm gonna finish that for you. That's 12. 12 rad 6. That one is done. Now look, of course, we're getting more complicated. 7 rad x times x rad 2. This 7 gets to multiply by this x because they're both outside the radical. That's 7x. And then what's inside the radical? Okay, x times 2. I'm going to write that as 2x because look, in algebra, we have a little custom here. We usually write the coefficient in front of the variable. We don't write x2, we write 2x. And guess what? That's all simplified. That one is done. Last example, 7x rad 3 times 4x squared rad 27. Yes, another level of complexity. This 7x gets to multiply by this 4x squared. That is 28x cubed. And then what is under the radical? Oh, it's cool. We have matching index of the radicands. Well, in this case, there's none, but you know that's a square root by the default. 3 times 27, that's 81. We're like, yay, we're done. No, we're not done because square root of 81, that's a perfect square. I'm going to recopy this 28x cubed. Square root of 81, I just don't want to bore you with the details. That is 9. So I have to do 28x cubed times 9. Guess what? I'm going to keep the x cubed out here. 9 times 28. Let's see. 9 times 8, 72. Carry your 7. 9 times 2, 18. Plus 7, 25. Man, that's 252x cubed. Take a break.